Hello, guys. This is Matthew from 20D. Good to connect with you guys. So we have started the summer season. I almost said winter. The summer season for outreach. So today I did a typewriter. You know, I do serve for Province Network as a director of one of their communities, which is awesome. 20D is still alive and going strong. We're still doing all of our outreaches and ministry events, and I'm just grateful to serve both. Thank you. So during Typewriter today, we were able to connect with the last one. Her name was Lane, and I just read the poem to her and shared what I saw, and there was just so many things in there that was relevant, you know, that the Lord showed me, and I shared with her that she was saying that, her mom and Lane, I pretty much had their attention, and I told her that this is Jesus's true nature, that he wants, it's not about control or trying to hurt people, that the Father wants everyone to see how valuable that they are to him. And that was as much as I was able to get out. And they both thanked me for the encounter and walked away. And then the mom turned around at the very end and thanked me again. She was on vacation from Texas working for the federal government. Had a lot of different encounters. The first two ones I didn't really get to minister because there was people in line, and unfortunately I wasn't able to connect. When I first got there, there was this guy that was drunk that offered me a beer. Then he came back later and asked me what I was doing, but he was intoxicated, and I wouldn't do one for him because he was under the influence, and I just don't do that. Those situations never turn out well. And then during another time I was writing a poem for someone, these two approached me and they looked like they were kind of struggling, so I gave them a few gift cards to help them out. They appear to be some kind of level of homelessness, and so this was awesome. I felt like this was, I know I went out a few weeks ago for Typewriter, but this was the first time that I went out that I felt like there was actual ministry happening and taking place. I'm having a few issues with my typewriter. I got it refurbished the first time, or cleaned and heavily cleaned and just really overdone and overhauled. First time in 8 years, and now it's just being a little persnickety. But that's 3 minutes. Love you guys. Thanks for praying for all these beautiful people. All right, talk to you later. Bye.